Welcome to the Somatic Visualization Script, From Noise to Rhythm. Find a comfortable position, either sitting, standing, or laying down in a safe space. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Go with whatever feels most comfortable and safe to you. Begin by noticing the contact between your feet and the ground, or between your back or your behind on whatever you're laying on. Feel the weight of your body pressing down. This is your foundation, stable and unwavering. Take a moment to feel that contact point. Let it become familiar. Then notice your breath without trying to change it. Just observe the rhythm of the inhale and the exhale. As you breathe, notice if there are any areas of tension or noise in your body. Perhaps a tightness in your chest, racing thoughts in your mind. Be patient and just notice. Sometimes there are spots that are very loud and beg for attention. Other times there are spots that are quiet and subtle. They also need your attention as well. And instead of pushing any of the sensations away, acknowledge them. If your heart is racing, consider telling yourself, I feel my heart racing, which means my body is preparing me for this moment. When you do go into the narrative aspect, stay in a self-compassionate place, away from judgment, staying in description. You are moving from the mask of anxiety to the truth of your body's energy. Now visualize your specific training environment, whether it's the road, the pool, the trainer, the field, the track. See the details of that environment. Is it light? What colors are they? Imagine the course ahead of you, or imagine the plays ahead of you on that field. Add as much detail as you can. Maybe there's a sense of smell that comes with it, because that place that you're training has remnants of a smell from previous games. Or maybe you're outside and the smell of the grass. As detailed as you can and want. And visualize yourself moving with complete fluidity through that space, engaged in the sport that you're passionate about. If it's cycling, maybe you see your pedal strokes as you circle using all the muscles, making your stride effortless and powerful. If you're a swimmer, seeing yourself gliding through the water. Seeing yourself gliding through the water. Imagine a dial in your mind. This is your internal rhythm dial. Slowly turn it from mechanical thinking over to embodied doing. Feel your shift in your muscles as they relax into their natural training. Trusting your body to know what it needs to do. Choose one progress goal for this moment. It might be your cadence, glute activation, the depth of your breath, Might be working on your catching or your dribbling, whatever it is related to process of improving that skill. Repeat a thoughtful mantra to yourself. For example, I am practicing my rhythm. I am getting stronger. I am present. If that doesn't resonate, pick one for yourself. Feel the alignment between your intention and your physical sensations. This is another moment where you can check in with your body and notice when you say this mantra, what happens? Take one final breath, filling your lungs with fresh air, moving from your diaphragm up through your lungs, expanding your rib cage, and then slowly exhaling it out. And then when you're ready, begin to bring yourself back into the space. Maybe by stretching, opening your eyes. Noticing that you may no longer be overthinking the movement. You are the movement.